Hello everyone, welcome to Oz's Cumbrian Garden. I'm a first-time gardener, and I'm mainly starting by planting these indoors, as you can see, just on my windowsill. I'm just trying all sorts, see what kind of takes and what doesn't. Why am I doing this? Well, I have a massive garden, and every year it just goes to waste. It seems a shame. It's the kind of garden that these days you'd expect to see like 2 or 3 houses on it. And yeah, back when I was just a young kid, it was always my mum that took care of it, and would cook, would plant various things, and we'd always eat fresh. And yeah, that hasn't been done for years because now it's just me and my brother. So I thought this year I'd make a start of it. So yeah, what you're seeing is just everything I've planted so far and the progress on it. What's took quite well and what's just not growing. Please note, I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, any comments, please make them helpful. Because yeah, I know I don't know what I'm doing, but I seem to be doing well. Here the corn in particular was growing really well, so much so I replanted those into larger pots, and they have since gone outside. And here you will see the back garden. So this is actually the view from the back of my house. Here on the left there, that's the shed, and this is the pond area that's completely overgrown. Here on the left, that's grass all the way up to the top. On the right there, that's the second lawn and the wall. Here, there is indeed a patio and a fire pit under all that nonsense. And this is the view from the very top of my garden, looking back at the house. As you can see, it's all very overgrown. This is the old greenhouse right at the top of the garden. It's completely ruined. This will have to go. There is actually a shed there, you can just see it. That was the old potting shed where we used to keep the lawnmower, and I believe my bike's in there. And under here, there is a raised bed, steps, and an old planting area. Now, this is my plan for the garden. If you want to see it a little more clearly, just pause the video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I will see you next time. Bye for now.